Let's go. Going for a trike ride, taking a little break. Picking blackberries, a little snack on our ride. What do you got there, Lynn?
Delicious. Blackberry.
Just gonna put that right into your belly, aren't you?
You betcha.
Yeah. It's been incredible wildfires all through Oregon. Probably got the clearest air quality of anywhere in the state right now. Squadron of pelicans.
Well, there was just a shot there, Barbara, that if we'd had the camera on, it would have been something else.
Three musketeers. Oh my gosh, they're climbing up, these little otters. Three otters. Daddy. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at this, coming up. Coming up.
They really don't know what we are, do they?
They don't seem to be too scared though. See you guys later. All right, so I'm with a group of trikers. We are all attending. This is not the Recumbent Retreat. And we decided to keep some campsites there at Fort Stevens, and we are going to do a ride together We've put our trikes in trucks and our cars, and we're meeting in Long Beach, Washington to do the Discovery Trail. And it is so smoky here today that I'm sure the air quality is very unhealthy and we probably really shouldn't be riding, but we're gonna go anyway. All right, let's go.
Full lights working good or blank.
Hi, Sylvia. Hi. Stop at all the viewpoints. Hi, Dave. Check this.
So these hills in the distance are shrouded in smoke. It is not fog that you would expect along the coast. So this is the looking down the beach on a very smoky day out at Cape Disappointment in Washington. Got some nice waves breaking. And then this is the North Head Lighthouse. There are two lighthouses here, Cape Disappointment Lighthouse and North Head. Whales Overlook,
I think.
the end of the Discovery Trail. All right, so we have just finished our ride on the Discovery Trail, which is very, very nice. And I hope to return when it's not so smoky. I actually have a little bit of a headache and I can feel the smoke in my throat. And this mask, I'm gonna have to switch it out because it smells like smoke. But we're gonna just take this trail a little bit further and get some of the signs of Long Beach.
Hold on, dude.
World's longest beach. A little bit of a hill, a little bit of sand, but what else would you expect at the beach? This is not the Recumbent Retreat. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of us enjoying a not sunset. All right, so I'm at the ocean at the Peter Iredale shipwreck. A lot of people down here, so I am wearing a mask. And this shipwreck has been here deteriorating since 1906. The ship wrecked on this beach and has been slowly falling back into the sea ever since. Trike's on the trail.